If you're a busy professional or you have a 9 to 5 job or a business that is keeping you busy, now you have the opportunity to leverage on Weltrade and make money from it without having to trade by yourself. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to set up your new copy trading account that you will use to make sure that you leverage and benefit from Weltrade going forward. All right. So what you need to do is you first apply for the copy trading account. As you can see, I have applied for this account. So for you to apply for this account now, all you need to do is to come here and then click on my account. Okay, click on account. When you click on account, you just come here, you click on copy trading. Okay, now once you click on copy trading, yours is not going to appear like this. For yours, you are going to see accept terms and condition. Okay, then you check the box and then you click on apply now. Now before you click on apply now, make sure that this is set on subscriber. Okay, now once you do this, as immediately you click on apply now, you have applied for it. Just come back to the dashboard. Okay, mine is showing like this because I've already applied. So you come back to the dashboard and then you now go and do what? Now go and transfer money, okay, to that account. Now how do you transfer money to that account? By going to finance and then going to transfer. Now immediately go to transfer, then you now transfer money from anywhere you have the money. You can see the copy wallet will now be showing. Okay, so if you do not create this account, you are not going to see this copy wallet. Okay, now first thing that you do is to transfer money to copy wallet before you start doing any other thing. Make sure that you have transferred the amount of money that you want to use to copy your trade in this wallet. Okay, now you put 50. You put 50. Okay, now the list there is $50. Then you click on continue. This is the first thing you are going to do. Click on continue. Now immediately you transfer the amount you want to use to trade from the main account to copy wallet. Then the next thing to do is to come and click on account. Okay, so you click on account, then you come and click on copy trading. Now immediately you click on copy trading. Now you come and click on this go to copy trading. Okay, now you click on go to copy trading. Immediately you go to copy trading, you come here, you wait, and it's logging you in. Okay, now once you log in, look out for Bulls Magnet. Search for Bulls Magnet like this, Bulls Magnet. Okay, now click on Bulls Magnet. Immediately click on Bulls Magnet, click on copy now. Okay, you click on what? You click on copy now. Now you click on copy now, and then you put your portfolio name. You can put my trade. Okay, click on my trade, then make sure that this is synthetic. Okay, make sure it's synthetic. You can see the money that you added has already appeared. Without the money appearing here, it will not allow you to proceed. That is why we have to go back to transfer this money. So the first thing you're going to do is to make sure that you transfer money from your main account to your copy wallet, okay, before you proceed to click on copy trading. Now you come here, you put $50 here. Okay, then you come to this place and change your password. Okay, so I've changed the password now, and then I'm going to click on next step. Okay, click on next step. Now I click on next step, then you continue. Make sure that this is copy only, no provider position, and then you click on next. All right, click on next. Now you make sure that this is by balance. Okay, this is by balance. Okay, that is what you are going to put there. All right, and then that is it. You click on next step. Okay, click on next step, and voila, you have it. You need to accept and invest. Click on this place, accept and invest. Congratulations, you have successfully invested $50 in Bulls Magnet. From now on, you copy all masters trading positions. Okay, so what you do is you copy this for you to view the trades. Okay, so you copy this and then go and set it up in your MT5 account so you can always view the trades as the Boost Magnet is trading for you. All right, so once you are done, if you come here, once you come here, you will see your copy wallet. Okay, you can see this is subscriber. Your wallet now is showing $50 in your subscribers wallet. Okay, and this $50 will be traded whenever the Boost Magnet is trading. It will be affecting this very amount here. Okay, and then whatever amount the Boost Magnet is earning and making for you, it will be reflecting on this account. Okay, so guys, this is how to copy trade in Weltrade. All right, I'm going to see you in my next video. Feel free to share this video and then subscribe to this channel so that you'll be the first to see other videos that will make for you every week. Cheers and God bless you.